Hello everyone, welcome back to the English class. Today we are talking about present simple and present continuous. Do you remember when we talked about present simple and present continuous in previous classes? So today we are going to talk about the differences between the two of them. Starting with present simple, you do remember that present simple is used when we talk about routines, also about general facts and things that are true for a long time. And present continuous is used to talk about things we are doing now. For example, I watch TV on Sundays. We cannot say I am watching TV on Sundays. And I'm watching a movie now. Of course, we cannot say I watch a movie now. In present simple, we add s to the verb in third person singular. Third person singular includes he, she, it, the pronouns. And we use do not or does not to make the negative sentences. And we use do also for the questions. For example, I do not watch TV on Saturdays. This is a negative sentence. Do I watch TV on Saturdays? This is a question one. In present continuous, we use the auxiliary verb to be, and we add the suffix ing to the main verb. And we add not to make the negative sentences. We switch places to the subject and the auxiliary verb to be when we are talking about question form. For example, I am watching a movie now. This is a negative sentence. And am I watching a movie now? This is a question form. Exercises. Let's do some exercises using present simple and present continuous. We'll try to fill the gaps using the verbs in brackets. My mom is a teacher. She usually, what do you think? What should we put in the gap? Works at a school, but today she, now what do we put in this gap, the second one? Today she is teaching a boy at his house. She gives him lessons twice a week. My dad is a pilot, but he, how do you put the verb in the brackets in the gap? But he isn't flying a plane today. Today, he and mom are flying to Washington to visit my aunt. And you have a story of a boy. It's Ben's blog, the same one you have in your books that you can read. I will read it for you, and you have to focus on the words in the red and also the story, because you're going to answer some questions at the end. Now we have a story to read. It's Ben's blog. Ben has written something about himself, his day. We're going to read. You have to focus on the words in red and also the story in general, because you are going to answer some questions at the end. Ben's blog. Hi, my name's Ben Connor. I'm usually at school on a Monday morning, but this week we've all got work experience. It's 8:30 and I'm sitting in my uncle's taxi and he is driving me to London to my dream job. Can you believe it? For 1 week, I'm a journalist for the music magazine Sound Waves. Then, it's 11 o'clock and I'm in a studio with a sound engineer. We are listening to a new band called Reform. At home, I usually listen to rap music, but this is a rock band. Now, we are watching a video of the band. We don't watch music videos at school, so this is cool. It's 1 o'clock and I'm very hungry. At school, I have lunch at 12:30 every day, but we haven't got time today. I'm just having a banana. It's 6 o'clock and I'm still working. I'm writing an article about the bend for sound waves. I often write articles for the school magazine, but this is a lot more fun. I love this job. This is the story of Ben, and I hope you understood it. So let's go to the questions. Let's answer the questions. You have to put true or false, or doesn't say to each one. Based on what you heard, Ben lives in London. Is that true or false? This is false. Second, Ben is at school today. What do you think? Okay, it's false. The sound engineer likes rap music. Is that true or false, or doesn't say? Okay, doesn't say. There isn't time for lunch today. Is that true? Yes, it's true. And the last one is Ben often writes about music. What do you think about this one? Doesn't say. This is all for present simple and present continuous, and as homework you're going to write about one of your days. Use present simple and present continuous, and also you're going to work on your workbook, page 8. This is all for today. See you in the next class.